Hello all, my name is Rahul and in this video we are going to perform some exploratory data analysis. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I've imported pandas, numpy, seaborn and matplotlib, and the dataset that I've used over here is the sample superstore.csv, and make sure you check the description down below. I'll post the link to this file over there, and this is how the dataset looks like. So as you can see, in the end we have a column called as profit. This is nothing but our target column, whereas the other columns are independent in nature. And using df.info, I can say that there are no null values in my dataset, and I can further go and visualize my dataset. And I've used pair plot, and this is how my pair plot looks like. And next thing that I've done over here is I've used value underscore counts. Now, what value underscore counts does is that it shows us the most frequently occurring element in that particular column. All right. So I've used this value underscore counts on the city column, and you can see that New York City is occurring for around 915 times. Same thing, I've done the visualization part, and this is how the visualization part looks like. And the same thing has been done over here, but instead of the city column, I have taken the state column. All right, and as you can see over here, California has the highest count, and over here I've taken segment on the x-axis, and consumer segment has the highest count. And if I compare segment with sales, I've taken segment on the x-axis and sales on the y. So as you can see over here, home office has the highest sales, followed by corporate segment and then the consumer segment. And in terms of earning profit, we can see that home office earns more profits, followed by corporate segment and as usual the consumer segment. And I've used subcategory, and over here you can see that binders has the highest count, followed by paper and so on. And if I was to compare subcategory with profits, I've taken subcategory on the x-axis and profits on the y. And as you can see over here, copiers have the more copiers earn more profits compared to any other subcategories. Over here, uh, I've compared categories and profits. So on the X I have category and on the Y I have profits. So as you can see over here, technological categories have higher profits, followed by office supplies and then furniture. And furniture has the lowest profits. And over here, I've compared like which shipment mode has the highest count. And as you can see over, standard class shipment has the highest count over here. All right. The next thing that I've done over here is I've taken the ship mode on the x-axis, and on the y-axis I've taken sales. So as you can see over here, almost all the ship modes have similar sales. And next thing we can see over here is I've compared region and profits. I wanted to see which region has earned the highest profits. And over here I've taken a region on the x and profits on the y. As you can see over here, the western region has earned more profits, followed by the eastern region, and then followed by the southern region, and in the end we have the central region. And next thing we can see over here is I've compared the region and sales. So as you can see over here, southern region has higher sales, followed by the eastern region and the west, and then in the end we have the central region. And if you want to see which region gave the highest discount, you can see over here that the central region has given the highest discount, and at the same time you can also see that the sales of the central region are low, and the profits of the central region are also low. So we must make sure that central region must develop in terms of sales profits. And I think that the sales I think that the sales of the central region are low because of the high discount rates that they give. And next thing you can see over here is I've seen which segment has the highest discount over here. Almost consumer segment and corporate segment have a similar discount rate. And in the end, we have home office segment. All right. And then I have done this multi-variate analysis over here. And as you can see over here, the highest profits were earned by the home office segment, and they were earned at the eastern region. All right, looking at the key we can see that home office segment earned higher profits at the eastern region and so on. And over here I have commented out uh, I've also commented out that the lowest profit can be found at the consumer segment at the central region. So central region, this is our central region, and yes, you can see over here that the consumer segment has the lowest sales at the central region. Alright, and over here I have another multivariate analysis. I've used segment on the x-axis and discount on the y, and this is my region. In the key we have our region. Alright, and as you can see over here, the consumer segment at the central region gives the highest discount. Alright, this is our consumer segment, and highest discount is at the central region. Alright, and this can be the reason why the consumer region earns less profits compared to the other segments and various other regions. That's what we have noticed above, that central region gives more discount and that might not lead to higher profits, so that thing must be kept in mind. All right, and some work must be done by the central region. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Have a good day. Until then, take care.